Hello, welcome back to the TV room here. I decided just before I put this away for now, I'm just going to try on this pad here, because I think I am properly connected. I'm going to ask it to do a direct now. Oh yeah, this cable is a little wonky. Oh, come on. This is the cable, I think, that if it was, see, it doesn't like sitting there. If it was screwed on, it didn't work, but if it was just put on, it did. Aha, there we go. And up comes both directories. And, and they're okay. Come on. Come on. Alright, let's try that again. Catalog. D1. Well, maybe not. But I don't think, I think, these are old discs. I really haven't had a chance to mess with them much. I'll take this out. Catalog. There we go. Catalog D1, D0. Pop this out. Catalog D1. Give it a little tickle. Okay, so it is coming up, and it looks fine. And that is good. Okay, so this can go off. This can go off. And this cable, which is weird, can also come off and sit over here. Now, the other thing I will try, just to reconfirm what I know, is I will stop this from doing its thing. Did I turn that drive off? I did. Yep. Still reads funny. Remember, of course, on this drive, I still want to clean the heads, grease the rails. But it seems to be okay, except, funny, that doesn't want to read that. Alright, well, we'll put this in here. Remember, we're all dealing with 40-year-old discs. Well, I wonder if that too is a symptom. I wonder. 15, 8, 15, quote, I, 0, quote, colon, close, 15. Yeah, it seems fine with that. Oh, of course, when you ask D1 to catalog and there's no disk in there, it's funny because before, interesting, it would catalog before on here, but not on here all the way. Oh, this light is still on. plug this back in. That is an interesting thing. So is it, I mean, it's still reading funny. Is it a RAM thing? Is it one of the chips that I thought? And the answer is, I don't know. But anyway, I'll put this up here. I'll shut this off. And I'll pull off the cord and pull out the power cable. And I will put this down below. Now, the funny thing is here, there is a 1701 down here. And they're very good to stack things on and under. I'm not sure if the table support will let me do that as I would like to. I'm not sure. But I think it will. I don't want to drop the drive. Okay. Okay. So, the disk drive is on the floor. And yes, we're still on the air. Uh-oh. That's what that thing is trying to spit out. Stop it, I say. Okay. So now, we have some tidying to do. We do this thing. Oh. This thing does not need to be here. And it's awfully slow at getting into what it should be getting into. But I think what I'm going to do, I was just making sure some of the videos online actually worked. I think what I will do, see, this thing has a weird way of grabbing the wrong Wi-Fi. But anyway, right now, I really don't need it on. I'm going to tell it to shut down. And I will close the lid. And without causing any trouble here, I will get this unplugged so I can move it elsewhere. At least that is the plan. If I can figure out, that's the other thing about having a lot of cords around. What cord goes to what? Anyway, I have figured it. So if I pull this, it should come out, and it's all good. There are things worse than losing the power supply for a laptop, but it's really no fun when you need it and you want to fire it up, and you can't. All right, so this pet here, which is the one that's doing weird things, I'm going to shut it off. I'll open it up, let it cool down a bit. I'm going to reach behind. Okay, that power cord does not come off, but certainly this IEEE cable does. So it can come out. It can. Does not need to be on. And okay. So, and this one can also come off. The power cord I'll leave on. The IEEE cable can come off. All right. So, time to tidy. Okay. Oops. That did not go well. Okay. That went okay. I think, okay, so another power cord can come out. Oh, except it's stuck onto the pit. Oh, golly. There is no rest. No rest. Yep, it's very securely stuck under the pit. And it does not need to be there. Okay. So it too can go back to the door. Whoa. Good. Good. So, now, oh, what is this? Sorry. Is that? Oh, that's another power cable. It doesn't need to be there. It too can go back to the door. Now, alright, here is the goo gun. I would like to, at some point, use on that drive, but at the moment it can go and sit out of the way. It can. Alright. So, we are getting there. I am wondering more and more with what I just saw, with the way that directory came in but didn't come in. If there is a RAM something somewhere, I'm not sure where it would be. I'm not sure. Wouldn't be the screen RAM. There could be some other buffering RAM going on here. I may have to do a little Googling and consulting and looking at the circuit board. Because, you know, it is... RAM chips fail a lot more than other things, I find. They just do. They just do. Maybe I will need to consult with Rudy of Rudy's Retro Intel. I will see about this. Anyway, the long and the short of it is, surgery on this board is fast approaching of some sort. I just would like to have an idea, just an inkling, that I'm actually going for something that might actually make a difference. So, I shall ponder. And we'll see you again soon. Back in the pet room. Not the pet room. The TV room. But the pet room is coming. Bye for now.